everyone. I'm Wu Si with Xinhua News Agency. I'm now at Guanshanhu International Convention Center in the city of Guiyang, southwest China's Guizhou province. The Big Data Expo 2021 is just being held online and offline from May 26 to May 28 in the province. What's new for this year's expo? Let's go and take a look. I'm now at the exhibition hall. Now let's experience some frontier technologies. Just like me, if an accident happens, the terminal will send the rescue information to hospitals and police stations immediately. Digital technologies have also been used to ensure safety while driving. With the help of chips, the road information from a long distance can be seen through the screen. Over the past decades, China has seen flourishing big data industry. And during our trip, we can see that technologies based on big data has already been used in almost every aspect of our daily life.